Hey guys, Brofist. Brofist entry. New thing. There. Right now I'm just kind of checking to make sure he's not evil. I want your pistol.
So here's what I need you to do. Head to where those bandits live and wipe them out, plain and simple. No one walks out alive. Except you. You can use one of my ATVs in the garage, and that pistol, and the supplies on the table. Oh,
That's all I
won't
wanted.
just get my thanks. Come back alive and I'll dig. One more thing. Those bandits shouldn't be too hard to take down. Not for you. I hear there's something special about you Ark people.
Well, want to play Russian roulette?
I want that. I don't know what it is, but I want it. Yeah, I think it's a dildo or a cross.
No, it's some sort of... Oh, it looks like a
crossbow.
Yeah.
Can I take... Oh, I want that.
You can drive that.
I'm black. That's cool. I can run like a motherfucker.
And you got a big black dick.
What the hell? Hey, I'm
Press
black.
X to boost.
Cool. Wait, I'm black. No!
Wait, that means I got a big dick.
Yeah! I'm not... Hey, don't be racist. We were all white once.
PewDiePie can't be racist.
Why not?
Because to think about all the things that he's... Like,
I think he's racist.
he's not. Well, that's a good way to park.
That.
Oh, that's
I want
cool.
to take this.
Can't drive it. That's a cool vehicle, though. It's a first-person game, so that's good. L5. Oh.
This video might be cut short.
Yeah. Go Rage Ghost Hideout.
That's not scary.
Nope. It's kind of sexy.
Are you turned on by those things?
No.
Okay then. Because I was gonna get you a rage poster. If you were, I was gonna be like, oh yeah. Birthday present. Oh sorry, diced it off.
You can loot bodies.
Check his ass.
Yeah.
I don't want to jump. I don't like it. Oh, that's cool.
He's below us. Go get him. Leave him to me.
What? Oh. What?
I'm gonna carve you a new one.
Okay. Have fun with that. And I'll be...
You're mine.
Shoot him.
You're mean.
No doubt.
I don't know why I didn't kill him in the first place. I was just jumping around him. It was fun.
You have like very little. You have very little health.
You're dead. Asshole. What? Can I melee attack them? Like, can I pick them up? Oh, I thought I could pick them up. Over here. I'll take those.
At least they have target range.
What? Oh my god, you're a ninja. Oh, I can.
Well, that answers your question.
I had to.
At least once.
What happened?
You got into a trap.
Well, well, look at what Hagar said to us. How dare you think you can walk into our house? Take
Yep.
him to the kill room.
Yep, that's not scary at all. That's not gonna give me nightmares.
I don't like zoom. I don't like dizziness.
I'm awake. Good. I like my prey to know what's coming. I promise this will hurt.
I think you died. Left trigger and R5. To connect the yellow. Oh. Get ready. You're fucked. Never mind.
Oh!
You can brawl.
I like my fists. Stupid walls.
Well,
Wow.
that's a huge gangbang.
I'm so
I wish you could take those knives.
hate you.
I hate you more.
How do I get out of the kill room? Oh, there's the door.
Yep, don't have to use your hands at all. So realistic.
Take them.
You just hit. It looked like he just hit him in the nose.
I broke his nose.
There he is.
Well, it's good to know that they have beds
Heading this way.
so they can repopulate.
I don't like this. You know, one bullet should be suffice to kill one of these guys. Get out of my face.
That's right. I probably should have brought my 2DS. Why is his hand still moving?
He's jerking off.
Yeah, I still have my 2DS charger at home.
What kind of charger does it take?
2DS, 3DS.
Would a single DS?
No,
DSi fit in it?
no,
It might.
no, I won't. We got 40 seconds left, so kill these guys fast.
Bro fist.